Hi, today we will be looking at GoSingapore App Demo. Please be aware that all information inside is only for demo purposes. We start with user registration. Travelers will find our QR code at the hotel and scan it with any app that they like. It will display the hotel welcome page, and the only thing that we require is the user email to create their account. After submitting their email, users will receive an OTP that they can use to verify their account. GoSingapore app will be available as iOS, Android, and web application. Today we do demo using just a browser so any traveler can use it freely. We find ourselves on the main page of the app that displays travel activities and attractions. The users can browse through those or use multiple filters, but in case they know which attraction they are looking for, they can just conveniently use this search. For today, we use National Gallery. We can see the description, images, and other information about the venue. Let's put it in our favorites and proceed with the booking. We select the type of the ticket and also choose the number of tickets that we would like to purchase. We conveniently see at the bottom the price is being calculated, and it also displayed in our preferred currency below. We fill in our personal details and proceed to the summary of the tickets that we are buying. The rest is just a regular online purchase transaction. No one will be surprised by it. We give our users 15 minutes to complete it. This is how long we keep their reservation for their booking. If they cannot complete it within the 15 minutes, they will need to do the booking again. We see the confirmation of our successful booking, and for now, let's continue exploring the app. We would like our users to discover Singapore. That's why we have the News and Events section. Here, travelers will find guides and articles produced by our content team. They can search for the interesting topic. Let's use golf. In this guide, travelers will discover exciting world of golf simulators. They can go through the photos, read the description, see what's included, and when they feel ready, proceed to booking this experience. Booking deals and experiences in GoSingapore app is as simple as booking any other ticket. Users will be done with that in no time. Speaking about our ticket purchases, let's head to the wallet where we can find previously purchased National Gallery tickets. Here, travelers will find their tickets with all the necessary information, including QR code or barcode that is required to enter the venue, booking reference and confirmation code, and anything else that might be required by the vendor. Additionally, we always send travelers tickets to their emails. We go back to our wallet and find the golf experience that we purchased previously. Together with the golf, we find a welcome drink voucher, a special deal that was automatically preloaded into our wallet because we have registered in the partner hotel. Let's head down to the bar to redeem our voucher. We scan the QR code and the system automatically validates and authenticates the deal. All GoSingapore vouchers are unique and protected from multiple redemptions. Now, let's redeem the golf voucher as well. To demonstrate purchase of more complex tickets, let's go to the zoo. Here, users will not only need to choose the type of the ticket, but also their preferred visit date and time slot. The rest of the booking flow should be already familiar. Let's fast forward. We go to our wallet and here we find our zoo tickets. We go through the ticket information, we can see the location of the zoo, but this time, let's cancel the ticket. The app will ask all the necessary questions and immediately proceed with canceling the booking and refunding the payment. In case travelers don't know how to cancel the ticket or have any other issues, they can go to Settings, Support page, where we have prepared a list of frequently asked questions. If that doesn't help, they can always drop us a message and our support team will assist them. Thank you for watching GoSingapore App Demo. We hope to see you on board as a partner or as a user.